Well, some hope the Indian Hills Theater would make it to the auction block.
But the Omaha landmark will instead face the chopping block.
The Indian Hills Theater on West Dodge Road will never open again. Methodist Health Systems purchased the building at 86th and West Dodge, and until today, we didn't know what was in store. Methodist says it will cost too much to renovate the building. There's problems with its heating and cooling systems, as well as concerns about asbestos.
Asbestos, mechanical and electrical problems are everywhere. Investors, along with Methodist Health System, who now owns the property, were told $1.7 million is needed to take care of it.
It just didn't make a lot of sense long term to plow a bunch of money in to this particular site.
We assumed that it was good enough condition we could just put in a Cinerama screen, put in the projectors, and start showing movies.
More parking will replace the theater to make room for new office space in the area. These seats will no longer be filled for the matinee or the twilight hour. There is no more hope.
This old place is getting torn down.
Really, I think we were sunk before we started, because you have to have a willing seller. And it was clear from the Landmarks Commission that there's no way that Methodist was going to sell this property. Yeah. No way. So the minute Methodist bought it, we were dead. And if it wasn't Methodist, it would have been HDR. And if it wasn't HDR, it would have been Commercial Federal Bank.
Well, just you know, your stance on what next, the need for parking, how you know, if you could just tell me a little more about that, why this is going to be beneficial to Methodist, and just so we can have the other side of things.
It's even beautiful, and it's, you know, it's a skeleton. Mm-hmm. Very nice.
Would you get out of the driveway?
Oh, sure. Sorry.
Thank you. Get that thing out of my face.
Now listen, right there, man. You're doing the Leave him alone! Leave him alone. We're sick of this stuff.
Leave him alone!
You mess with him when we're here.
Leave him alone! I don't care about 911. You're not going to bother him.
I know you don't, but we're moving out of the way, man. Let's go. Steve! You know, we've not said a word to those guys. You know, they're doing their job, I understand it. For him to get personal like that is total bullshit.
it's just sad, sad, sad. You know, I think they led us on. I don't know that for sure, but I really believe that. It's the end of an era.